The Blend Wizard can be a powerful tool for creating new data sets and analyzing some of your existing data. Let's walk through a simple example of how you may use the Blend Wizard. In this map we've got two layers. We have one layer with soil type, and it has two types, of one with sandy and one with clay. And then we have another layer here called crop type, and we've got part of our field that's planted to corn and the other part of our field that's planted to wheat. Now what we want to do is create a data set that blends these two layers together, so we have a resulting layer that has the type of crop and the soil together. So that way we can maybe do some yield analysis once harvest is over and find out which crop does best on what type of soil. So to get started, let's go ahead and click the Blend Wizard here. And the first thing we need to do is choose which layers to blend. In this case we only have two, so we're just going to go ahead and select those by doing control clicks. But you really can blend up to as many as you like. Most of the time you do two, but sometimes you may need 3 or 4 layers to blend together depending upon your data needs. Like most of our wizards, you can also just blend selected features if you only want to do a subset of your layers in the same way. So let's move on to step 2. And here we've got two different options. One is we can combine our features and keep them even if they don't intersect. So in this example you'll see we have the blue layer and this brown layer, and the ending result is both of them, no matter whether they intersect or not. The other one, which is quite handy, is only return the intersecting areas of the two layers. So if you just want to get the places where the two layers intersect and get the result out of that, you would choose this option. And we're going to go ahead and choose this for our test. Next, you choose what columns you want from your various layers. In this case, our soil type layer only has one column called soil type, and our crop type only has one column named crop type. So we're going to add both of those to our new output layer. Finally, we just need to give a path of where we want to save our resulted blended layer. So we're going to go ahead and say blended result, and then we're going to go ahead and hit finish. Once the GIS editor is done blending the two layers together, it'll ask if you want to add it to the map. And if we go ahead and do this, you'll now see we've got a new shape file that has 4 different sections, kind of where our crossover. But let's dig in a little bit deeper and make sure that the blend worked as we expected. And let's do that by identifying each of these new features. And as we can see, when I click on that, we now have this feature saying it was a sandy soil type with the crop type of corn. If I come down here and identify this one, you can see it's now a soil type of sandy with the crop type of wheat, and so on for all the other features. So this can be very handy when you want to create new data sets. So now we have a blended result where we could easily associate yields with each one of these features and know what type of crop does better in which type of soil type. I hope this video has been good and that the Blend Wizard works for your requirements. As you can see, it's got a lot of versatility in creating new data sets. Thank you.